Hello everyone. Today we learn how to make money selling on Etsy or eBay, even as a beginner. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need thousands of dollars. And you don't need to invent a brand new product. Right now, everyday Americans are making real money by selling simple products online, using platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace. And yes, beginners are doing this every single day. Today, I'm going to show you how selling online works, what people are selling, and how you can realistically earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month with consistency. 1. Selling products online has changed years ago. Starting a business meant renting space, buying inventory, and taking huge risks. Today, you can start from your laptop. No warehouse, no expensive inventory, no employees. Platforms like Etsy and eBay already have millions of buyers searching for products every single day. Your job is simply to give them what they're already looking for. Think of it like opening a store inside a busy mall, except the mall already exists and people are already walking past your door. 2. What are people actually selling? Let's talk about what's working right now, because this isn't theory. People are making money with these categories. Print on demand products. This includes things like t shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags. Here's the best part: you don't print or ship anything yourself. You upload a design. When someone orders, a print company creates the product and ships it directly to the customer. You focus on design and marketing. They handle the rest. Digital products. The game changer. This is one of the best business models online. Examples include digital planners, budget templates, resume designs, social media templates, printable wall art. There's no shipping, no inventory, no returns. You create the product once and sell it over and over again. This is why digital products are so powerful. Handmade items. If you enjoy crafting, this is perfect for you. People are selling jewelry, candles, custom gifts, home decor. Buyers on Etsy especially love unique handmade items they can't find in big stores. Used items from thrift stores. This one surprises a lot of people. Some sellers go to thrift stores, garage sales, or even their own closets and resell items online. Popular categories include vintage clothing, shoes, electronics, collectibles. You buy low, list online, and sell for profit. Simple, but effective. 3. Where do you sell these products? Let's talk platforms. Etsy is perfect for digital products, print on demand, handmade items. People go to Etsy specifically looking for creative and unique products. That means less convincing. You're meeting buyers who already want what you're selling. eBay is great for used items, reselling, collectibles, electronics. It's one of the largest marketplaces in the world, and buyers trust it. Facebook Marketplace. This platform works especially well for local sales, used items, quick flips. You can start selling here immediately, even without a formal store. 4. How much money can you make? Let's be realistic. Most beginners don't make thousands overnight, and that's okay. With consistency, many sellers earn $500 per month as a side hustle, $1,000 to $3,000 per month with regular effort, $5,000 or more per month as they scale. The key word here is consistency: posting products regularly, improving listings, learning what sells. This isn't luck, it's repetition. 5. Why digital products are the best option. Here's the pro tip you need to remember. Digital products are the best because you create once and sell forever. No shipping costs, no damaged packages, no inventory running out. You could be asleep, on vacation, or at work, and sales can still come in. That's the closest thing to passive income for beginners. 6. How to get started. Simple steps. Here is how you start without overthinking it. 1. Choose one platform. Etsy or eBay 2. Pick one product type 3. Research what's already selling 4. Create a simple listing 5. Upload and learn as you go. You don't need perfection. You need action. Most people never start because they wait until everything is ready. Meanwhile, others start messy and make money. Or 7. Final thoughts. Selling online isn't a scam. It's not too late. And it's not only for experts. Regular people, students, parents, full-time workers, are building income streams by selling simple products online. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need to start. And if you remember one thing from this, create value once and sell it again and again. That's how online selling works.